The Netherlands is a feat of engineering. With more than a quarter of the land sitting below sea level, cities like Amsterdam and Rotterdam would be submerged if not for a sophisticated network of dikes and pumps. This constant threat has forged a nation of innovators and visionaries. Even the name of the city Amsterdam tells a story of a battle with the tides. It literally translates to "dam on the Amstel." Starting as a humble fishing village with a tax exemption in 1275, it transformed into the world's premier trading city through pure engineering ingenuity. Around 1600, something happened here that changed the world forever. The Dutch invented modern finance. In 1602, the Dutch East India Company was founded, the world's first joint stock company. For the first time, ordinary citizens could purchase shares to finance global expeditions. This gave birth to the world's first official stock exchange right here in Amsterdam. This immense wealth laid the foundation for the Golden Age. This prosperity flowed directly into the arts. In the Rijksmuseum, Rembrandt's The Night Watch takes center stage. Rembrandt van Rijn was a master of light, famously known for his use of chiaroscuro. He didn't just paint faces, he painted souls, capturing every wrinkle and imperfection with his brush. Just a few streets away, the Van Gogh Museum reveals Vincent van Gogh's incredible journey. From the dark, earthy tones of his homeland to the vibrant, radiant colors of the south. His signature impasto technique, applying paint so thickly that it becomes almost three-dimensional, made him a pioneer of modern art, even though he remained almost entirely unrecognized during his lifetime. If you escape the bustle of the city, you'll find yourself in Zandvoort. But this place is about more than just beach holidays or motor racing. The dune region is the country's natural life insurance. These massive sand walls were formed around 5,000 years ago by the forces of wind and tides. Today, they form a highly sensitive ecosystem that serves as both a natural drinking water filter and a vital barrier against the North Sea. It's a geological masterpiece that first made survival in the polders possible. Because the dunes alone weren't enough, the Dutch built windmills. In Kinderdijk, 19 of these giants still stand today. But they weren't used to grind grain. They were, in fact, water pumps. Using nothing but wind power, they lifted water from the marshlands into drainage canals to dry out the land. Now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's a stunning example of how an entire nation was forged using the raw power of nature. The tulip, the ultimate icon of the Netherlands, is actually a migrant. Originally hailing from the rugged mountains of Central Asia, it made its way to Holland via the majestic gardens of the Ottoman Sultans. In the 16th century, under Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, the tulip became the ultimate fashion statement of the court. Sultans commissioned vast, breathtaking gardens and even wore the blossoms as ornaments on their headwear. This is actually where the name originates. The Turkish word tulbent, meaning turban, was Latinized into tulipa and not to the flower's resemblance to the folded fabric. For the Ottomans, the tulip represented paradise on earth. Possessing a rare bulb was a sign of absolute elite status. It was in 1593 that botanist Carolus Clusius planted the very first bulbs in Leiden, unknowingly sparking a national obsession. By the 1630s, this flower triggered the first speculative bubble in history: tulip mania. At its peak, a single bulb of the legendary Semper Augustus was worth as much as a Grand Canal house in Amsterdam. Today, the Dutch utilize the perfect sandy peat soil of the Bollenstreek, the bulb region, and their sophisticated canal systems to export over 2 billion bulbs to every corner of the globe annually. It's a paradox that defines the nation. Everywhere you look, the country is drenched in orange, yet the national flag is red, white and blue. The answer lies at the birth of the nation and with one man, Willem van Oranje. William was the leader of the Dutch revolt against Spanish rule in the 16th century. His title, Prince of Orange, named after a small principality in southern France, gave the color its name. Today, he is revered as the father of the fatherland. Interestingly, the original Dutch flag was actually orange, white and blue, known as the Prince's flag. So why the change to red? History offers two main theories. The practical theory. In the 17th century, orange dye was notoriously unstable. On the high seas, the sun and salt would quickly bleach the orange into a muddy yellow or red. Red was simply more durable and visible from a distance. The political theory. A power struggle between supporters of the monarchy, pro-orange, and the Republicans eventually led to the adoption of the red-white-blue banner as the official state flag. The Dutch found a very Polder-style compromise. On King's Day or during major sports events, they fly the red-white-blue flag with a long orange pennant, the Oranjewimpel, flowing above it. It's their way of honoring the royal house without changing the constitution. All of this history, from the birth of the stock market to the journey of the tulip, culminates every year on April the 27th, King's Day. When the entire country is drenched in orange, the people aren't just celebrating their king. They are celebrating their own unique identity. A nation that rose from the sea, invented the modern global economy, and truly knows how to enjoy life to the fullest.